live free, live free, live free. Everything complete. Today we are going to be using some coconut coir and some vermiculite. We're going to do a 50-50 mix of each one using this little jar to get some out and put into the big jar. So we'll mix up so many scoops of vermiculite, so many scoops of cocoa coir, vermiculite, cocoa coir. Shake the jar, mix it all up, add some water. Add just enough water to moisturize everything, and then we will PC it. That's a pressure cooker. So I'm gonna walk you guys through these steps and show you another great video on how to make a substrate. Cocoa coir. You got that much vermiculite, put in that much cocoa coir. This stuff's a little messier, so you would just want to be a little bit more careful so you don't end up with shit everywhere. Or you could go do it outside in your garage, lay down a tarp, put down some plastic, whatever you want to do. As you see, I kind of tap the bag onto the jar so it packs it in there, and then dump it. That's what you got so far. So what I'll do is maybe just mix this up, make it a little easier. Put on a lid. There you go, nice and mixed. Now add the rest. One more. All right. We'll give this a shake and we'll add some water to it. Kind of want to move it back and forth and twist it in your hands if you're able to do that. I guess if not, you can just shake it however you want, but this is I found to be the easiest way. And you can look at it and see if it has a nice mix of the Coir and the vermiculite. This one does. Looks good to me. Now, we will use another jar. That way we have exact measurements on how much we're going to add. That's why I like using jars and measuring cups instead of just wildly throwing in scoops of stuff, or you know, just running this underneath the faucet, which I've done that before, but I ended up with too much moisture. So we'll go ahead and use this. We'll fill this up one time, drop it in there, see what happens. I could tell that it's definitely going to need about 3 to 4 more. What are these, half cups? I think these are half cups. Yeah, them are half cups. 2, 3. I usually am able to tell if it's ready to go by looking at the bottom of the jar to see if the water has made its way all the way through this substrate. I would say it needs another one. We're at 4. I'm gonna say 1 more. And 5. So we did 2.5 cups. Now you know 2.5 cups per quart jar. This mixing is going to be a little harder because now it's a little bit heavier, but I just mix it the same way. When it gets PC'd, it'll all the moisture will go through it anyways. As long as there's enough water in your jar. Oh yeah, I could tell by looking at the substrate from the top to the bottom. I can see inside the jar and tell that it's all moist. This is ready to go. If you're wondering what I just did, I put the lids on. They're gonna get ready to get pressure cooked. And I put some micro pour tape. That's micro pour tape. Usually you can find it in the like Band-Aid section, stuff like that. It comes in rolls, like $3. So yeah, I just tear off a piece of that, put it over the holes that are in the lid, and put the lid on. Then we will put some foil over the top, which I'll show you that when I'm done with all this. Put the lid for it. Tape on it. That's the tape. That's the tape I was talking about.
She ain't testing you back. She ain't into your car. Shit, you know who you are. Always up in the bars.
You know you wrong, girl. All I wanna do is you play the song, girl. You be acting hella real like you the one, girl. So I really have to tell you there's a whole world. Yeah, there's a whole world. There's a whole world. I ain't got room for your drama. Just stack up the zeros and add in the commas. There's a whole world. I ain't got room for your lies. Going out for the loot like I'm ready to die. Yeah, there's a whole world. I could show you the stars, but if you talking all this shit, I'll leave your ass up on Mars. Yeah, there's a whole world. A lot of people are fake. You can live within the truth and make the final escape. Oh, that ain't what I do. Lay down straight. Stars out of space, going hard in the paint. Good loving yourself, just support of the pain. Support of the game, feeling dark with the shame. You be all around and do you play the song, girl. You be acting hella real like you the one, girl. So I really have to tell you there's a whole world. Yeah, there's a whole world. You know you wrong, girl. You be all around and do you play the song, girl. You be acting hella real like you the one, girl. So I really have to tell you there's a whole world. Yeah, there's a whole world. There's some nice girls and there's some hoes in the street, both with the same smile, but I know what it means. One will love you and one is only out for your cash. Stealing everything when you asleep, but I know how to stash. But I know what it means when she be shaking that ass. She lace it with liquid, then she be off with the bags. Some girls are so bad, living life on the edge. She a chick in disguise, put a pistol right to your head. Better go on to bed, get up out of your feelings. There's a million women on the planet, get to the million. Like when I drop it, they feel it. I shoot a rocket and kill it. Should be shaking the planet so hard it's dropping the buildings. Some girls be ratchet and gashing and them are rotting the villains. They out there hunting for blood like they wanna lock on the realest. They be so fake with the love that they wanna rob of your feelings. Another snake in the mud, I see all the shit she concealing. You know you wrong, girl. You be all around and do you play the song, girl. You be acting hella real like you the one, girl. So I really have to tell you there's a whole world. Yeah, there's a whole world. You know you wrong, girl. You be all around and do you play the song, girl. You be acting hella real like you the one, girl. So I really have to tell you there's a whole world. Yeah, there's a whole world. You know you wrong, girl. You be all around and do you play the song, girl. You be acting hella real like you the one, girl. So I really have to tell you there's a whole world. Yeah, there's a whole world. You know you wrong, girl. You be all around and do you play the song, girl. You be acting hella real like you the one, girl. So I really have to tell you there's a whole world. Yeah, there's a whole world.